Best shot in seconds, say what matters. Indian stock market rebounds after 7-session losing streak. On 30th September 2025, the Indian stock market showed a significant rebound after a prolonged 7-session losing streak. The Nifty 50 index gained 0.18% to close at 24,677.90 points, while the BSE Sensex rose 0.14% to reach 80,469.39 points by mid-morning trading. Analysts observed that the market recovery was led by financial and metal sector stocks, reflecting investor optimism following the Reserve Bank of India's recent easing of lending regulations. Public sector banks, in particular, posted notable gains of around 1.8%, while private banks increased by approximately 0.5%. The metal sector also performed strongly due to a weaker US dollar, which made Indian commodities more attractive to foreign buyers. Among the major sectors, 11 out of 16 showed positive movement, with the IT index rising about 0.5%. Coforge jumped 2.6% after being initiated with an outperform rating by CLSA, which boosted investor confidence in the technology sector. Analysts, however, cautioned that this rebound may be largely technical, as prior overselling created room for relief rallies. The upcoming RBI monetary policy review also played a role in market sentiment. While most economists expect the key interest rate to remain unchanged, some speculate that there could be a surprise easing to stimulate growth. External factors such as US-India trade tensions, global equity pressures, and currency fluctuations remain critical for the near-term trajectory of the market. Investors are advised to remain cautious, as the current gains may not signify a sustained uptrend. Portfolio diversification and monitoring of macroeconomic indicators are recommended strategies to navigate potential volatility. Overall, the market recovery on 30th September offered temporary relief to investors who had witnessed losses in the previous sessions but underscored the sensitivity of Indian equities to both domestic policy moves and international developments. Source: Reuters. Stay tuned on BizShort for more such updates.